Excellency, the Ambassador of Japan to Fiji, and members of your staff. Uh, with your indulgence, allow me please to speak in the Fijian vernacular first before I switch back to English, Your Excellency. Nisa tuna turangan na tunamua kaka tuna turangan talin alo nisa tuna turangan na maram lenon to orba turangan go nano to lomani cino turang talango inamua tomandau tornongon ko babi ni na valeu na enam meta na bewarai talangan na bingan karabi siang wala nga na buui na ministry ni bula pamimpin na buui ni matentu ni uwa ito ngol to may uwa na valeu ni no bosa naturan tal muna ni sa bendo ngon bala muna en sa lu to may iwa bina valeu ni may da ni uwa salvate ina na nangole cuman tamdada ni bula me utamain don na onowanga ni bengare nasi me bengare bulle na bisongo nursing station na wadada nanto balway ibisongo sa veru sa bulan bengo to yung na rundul apa main dola ina tarabay labuta na matentos de Australia ngone me domingo o nasi bingare tingo sana viamba iwalu no bingare bolchinge ngone me domingo ando revoltimi in min don wanga di bingarabi wa bina vale buna matay no bisi umay na wadadaan ba isawchi ento rota tala ma ave na untran tinamu abate maram nasi sanga to in na valisles na ibuliku eranior to nanumi namucho merendo enawang di bingara bimbaleta nabunwa na no na ela bini bingara binas soya to inawa ol soya senga la ruo si tulbe na nanto idi isawanogo ato ino buni bingara iwa bina valebu ni nonto do bateu na valisilesi na buliu tegu may verto na ena bunoy levu divisional medical officer northern Dr. Tico sub divisional medical officer Dr. Diles sub divisional health inspector Bakaruru verto talaga na ena valisilesi ni batay dak verna vingara verna nasi chat batay don yawan sa tongko me pararoti ino na bingkarabyo maram nasi pararoti talaina na salamat chuko na ay tutang chuko na matentu sa na sangay me na garabi na mati si raw se na pos palang na primary health care service sangay me bangang kapte ital do sangay me bangang kapte na primary health care service ko na vabi na tay na vali ni bengarabi en talanga ina na ni bengarabi bebeira na vali bulalay se vali bula taunda orliliw meraw nyoy batangana na stabu chika na vali buliliw ilambasa se mo bolaan wani na stabu talanga tungkor sa ramen gor na ando na ngata ni bengarabi nasi sangay onday tay bat todo nando ngay marroya bata memba anga ni yauchu ni matentu wadada na ilebu to lami ini uwa Your Excellency and members of your staff once again we thank you for the invitation I was asked yesterday why so many ministers and assistant ministers coming to attend the opening of the classroom plus the handing over the boat they said if there's something political about it but I said no. We are here based on the invitation from your good officer and also we are here to acknowledge the ongoing assistance and from the previous assistance as well. The partnership between the government of Japan through the various ministries. That is why we are here to honor, to thank you and to also acknowledge part of the assistance that the government of Japan, through JICA, as you had rightly mentioned, we will be commissioning the new northern warehouse in a few months' time. So something to look forward to in the north, and that will improve the capacity and the capability of the Ministry of Health in terms of storage, in terms of procurement, in terms of disbursement of essential medicines, equipments, and other perishable items to the various facilities within the north. And this is something new for the north, and we are grateful to the government of Japan and JICA for assisting us in that. With those few words, Your Excellency, again, on behalf of government, on behalf of the minister and the assistant ministers, on behalf of the members of parliament who are here, I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you.